Today's date? 2081 3 5, right? Okay, means we have hardly 15 days left for first term examination, and near about 1 week will separate for revision. Understood or not? 1 week means from 14th or 15th work will be started, and before that we should complete our topic. It means three lessons will be asked. Okay, first, second, and third. So focus more. And today, two students they are going to present on question answers. Then other students they will begin their what is that? Okay, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Answer the following question in short. Short question. Have you
No.
done? Not done. Okay. What are microorganisms? Okay. Tell me, what are microorganisms? I think this is not the one. This is not the one. Page number? Oh, I gave that. Okay, distinguish between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Done?
Yes, sir.
Prokaryotes, they have got, what do you have? Poorly developed nucleus. Eukaryotes, they have well developed nucleus, right? And prokaryotes, they are simple organisms, and eukaryotes, they are complicated organisms. Why are you biting your ball pen? Why? Be careful, isn't it? Number second, Monera and Protista. What are the differences between Monera and Protista? Okay. Stand up. Okay, you stand up. What he has written, let's check. Yeah.
Monera, they are prokaryote organism. Protista, they are eukaryote organism. Monera, their cell wall is made up of peptidominerons. Only Protista, only of some of the cell wall and is made of the cell.
Okay. Others who has done? Who has done? Nirajan, have you done? Okay, Nirajan. Nirajan, yeah. Just who wants to speak, you keep this one and speak, okay? And you will be okay. Sit down.
So, Monera and Protista. Monera are the type of organisms which are prokaryotes in their nature, and Protista are the type of organisms which are eukaryotic in their nature. An example of Monera is bacteria. An example of Protista is amoeba. Yes.
Okay, sit down. Now, we have done autotrophs and heterotrophs. Next student. Who has done? Okay, he has done. Okay, please. Autotrophs and heterotrophs. I'll give chance to others also if you have done. Okay. Yeah.
Uh, Autotrophs are those type of the type for the autotrophs prepare their food by their own, whereas they do not have to depend on other animals for their food. And heterotrophs cannot prepare their food by their own, and they have to be dependent on other animals for their food. An example of autotroph is plant, algae, etc. And an example of heterotrophs is human beings.
Okay. Yes. And two kingdom classification and five kingdom classification. Has anybody done?
Yes.
Yeah, she has done. Okay. What is that? Please read. Stand up and read. Talk it loudly. Otherwise, sound will not come.
The two kingdom is made by Carolus Linnaeus.
Okay.
Five kingdom is made by Rover as Whittaker. Example, two kingdom example Animalia Panty. Five kingdom example Fungi Panty Animalia Protista Monda.
So, okay. That's right. So, you have done. I think that's completed, right? Next one is your question answers. Answer the following questions. What is the basic unit of classification? Yeah, the basic unit of classification is species. Then, what is the need for the importance of classification?
Everyone story about anyone and to identify gender and categorize
Um, what is the two kingdom system of classification? Okay. What is binomial system of nomenclature? Binomial means giving how many names? The system of giving two names to an organism. One is generic name, another is specific name. That is called binomial system of nomenclature. In five kingdom classification of Robert H. Whittaker, um, how many kingdoms are eukaryotes? Four kingdoms are eukaryotes. What are they? Protista, fungi, animalia, plantae. Right? Okay. Now we'll be discussing the things. I think another portion will be started now. Eh? What do you start? Next chapter. And these long questions. How many long questions are there? 11 long questions are there, right? So out of 11 long questions, 5 will be done by group C. Which group C? Group C. Group C, you have got microorganisms or not? Virus in this one. And group D? Group D, which they have got? Protista, fungi. Oh. And group E? Group E they haven't got. It's advantage and disadvantage of. Again, group F. Dry preservation, wet preservation, and chapter over. Cold preservation. Other methods? Then leave. Okay. Then these long questions will do. Long questions will be done by the hero. Who is hero? Long questions. So whom should I give? Super Guru. Super Guru will do long question. And what is left? Give reasons and give reasons and give reasons for officer. Okay. And diagrammatic for this. Which one? Already discussed. Done, right? Then give reasons. Where don't give reason? Has anybody done give reason or not? Nobody has done? Okay, give reason will be done by Mohan Surketi. Mohan Surketi will do give reason, you do long questions, okay? Then now today's presentation will begin. Today's presentation will begin. Who is first presentator? Nisha. Okay. Is who is the first presentator? Nisha Shiwakoti. Super Guru also will come, but Super Guru will explain minor things only. What is lacking? Okay, come. Don't say from the beginning. What is there, you can explain only. That is all. Okay, start now. Now listen, everybody. Those boys, you can come this side. Those boys, you need to come and sit this side. You two boys also come this side and sit. To the recording from this side. Come here. Yeah. You are looking Isnea, right? When was it seen? You can check out.
Oh.
It doesn't say dancing. Is it? Yeah, then make bigger also.
Answer the following question. Why?
No, not this. Maybe the down part is here. Just
Classification and 5 kingdom classification. In 2 kingdom classification, there are plantae and animalia. In 5 kingdom classification, there are plantae, animalia, fungi or mycota.
Monera and Protista. In the first point, it was firstly proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. It classified kingdom Plantae and Animalia. Five kingdom classification. It was firstly proposed and by Robert Whittaker. It classified kingdom Monera, Protista, Plantae, Fungi, and Animalia.
Okay, that is a finish. Others will start.
Unish.
Unish, what question?
Good morning to you all. It's me, Unish, Ghising, one of your classmates, and we are going to discuss all the answers of question number 4. Answer the following questions. First question is, what is the basic unit of classification? So in classification, there are two kingdom classification and five kingdom classifications. In the two kingdom classifications, it contains Plantae and Animalia, and in five kingdom classification, it contains Plantae, Animalia, Plantae, Animalia, Monera, Prostita, and
Fungi. Fungi.
fungi. So for this question, the answer is species. The basic unit of classification is called as the species. Question number B. What is the need for and importance of classification? And the need and importance of the classification is to identify the different organisms. Identify the different organisms or according to their characteristics, evolving structure, and behavior. Action. Question is, why do we need importance of classification? Classification is very important in science because it helps us to separate different organisms due to their different characteristics and their evolutionary structure. Just like that, in the past, Sir Carolus Linnaeus just introduced two kingdom animal kingdom system, which was a little bit controversial, and people thought that there were not supposed to be only two, and then thus it was expanded up to five. What is the basis of classification of kingdom Animalia? Kingdom Animalia can be us humans are also a classification of kingdom Animalia. And in kingdom Animalia, the basis of classification of the kingdom is its nuclear structure and mode of nutrition and the way of reproduction. In kingdom Animalia, they are also eukaryotes, so their nucleus is properly developed. Their mode of nutrition is heterotroph, so they depend on other animals or plants for their nutrition, and the way of reproduction. They reproduce by a sexual method. Who is known as the father of taxonomy? Sir Carolus Linnaeus is known as the father of taxonomy because he was the first person to introduce the two animal kingdoms. Name the five kingdoms and give an example for each. As we all have studied and were clear through the other presentations given by of our other classmates, we are very clear about the five different types of animal kingdoms, mainly because we have studied about it. The first kingdom is Monera, second is Protista, third is fungi, fourth is Plantae, and the third is kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Monera are unicellular organisms which cannot be seen through our naked eye, thus we need a microscope for its vision. Kingdom Protista, they are multicellular organisms, thus they can only be seen through a microscope. Its examples are amoeba. Number 3, fungi. Fungi are those. Fungi is that type of kingdom in classification in which it consumes the dead or decaying body part of another animal. Kingdom Plantae, they are the producers. They create their food by themselves through the process of photosynthesis. Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia are us humans and other animals in the surroundings. For example, fish, dogs, cats, etc. Read the principles of two kingdom classification and for classifying organisms. The principles of the two kingdom classification were their mode of nutrition and the locomotion of organisms. So, if you all don't remember, the two kingdoms of classification were of kingdom Animalia and kingdom Plantae. Kingdom, they were separated due to their difference option. If you all don't remember, we have read two kingdoms of classification. One of them was Plantae and another one is kingdom Animalia. Both of them were separated due to their different types of because they are different types of nutrition taking, and then their different of locomotion. If you all don't remember, the mode of nutrition in animals and plants are very different. Mode of nutrition in animals are heterotrophs, and mode of nutrition in plants are autotrophic. So they can create their food themselves, but in animals it's not the case. Locomotion of organisms. Plant plants can not locomote because of their roots that are connected to the soil, and then animals can locomote due to their different structure. Ah, oh, shit. What are the what is the two kingdom system of classification? The two kingdom system of classification is the system of classification proposed by Sir Carlos Linnaeus in 1969 AD, which was based on the mode of nutrition and the other way of locomotion, which classified kingdom plant and animal. We have already discussed this type. We have already discussed this question, but it was actually separated. It was separated into two questions, and it is the same thing basically. But still, I will explain. The two kingdoms of classification is the system of classification proposed by Sir Carlos Linnaeus. Yes, Sir Carlos Linnaeus was a Swedish ecologist who proposed the two kingdoms system of classification due to their differentiation in mode of nutrition, their way of locomotion, which differentiated both of them. What is binomial system of nomenclature structure? Nomenclature structure. The system of assigning the scientific name to each species using two names, first genus name and the second species name, is known as the binomial system of nomenclature. Next. In the five kingdom classification of Robert Harding Whittaker, how many kingdoms are eukaryotes? In the in the five kingdom classification of Sir Robert Harding Whittaker, four of them were eukaryotes, except apart from Monera, they are prokaryotes. Thank you.
Today I think give chance to our super guru. Please we go. Hey. So one thing remember, students, Mahabharata, so many Puran, they were written by Ved Vyas, they say, right? But one thing you have to keep in mind, Ved Vyas, he was very smart person. He could tell very fast. And who was the writer? Ganesh. So this boy also is just like Ved Vyas. He knows many more things. But for writing, he is a bit slow. I hope he will improve. And now you have got two super gurus. One is Nirajan, and there is Unish. Give him a big round of applause. So, Unish is also this one. He has got ability to explain well. From tomorrow, when the person presents, then super guru and guru means both super guru will come here. One will explain and another will write. Okay, then it will be more clearer. You practice more, right? That's good. Which ability you have got, you have to enhance more, and in which you are a bit weak, must focus and do better. Okay, Unish. Children, the bell has already rung, and tomorrow who is going to present? At first, Nirajan will present all the questions. All questions will present, and Unish will come and explain a little bit only, because he has got very good habit of writing and explaining. That's great. After Nirajan is the turn of Monsur Kheti. Monsur Kheti, have you made any presentation or not? How many presentation you have made? I don't know, but you just make that and it's done. Afterwards, we'll begin microorganism. Who is going to explain first microorganism? Group C. This one. Who are the members? Three are here. Okay, so that is his matter. He is the guru. Guru must manage. Okay, he has got double works. One is give reasons, another microorganism. Then group D, also microorganism, right? What you are going to explain tomorrow? Fungi and I think they are going to explain about bacteria and virus, right? So tomorrow we need to complete up to there. Okay, very lovely time. It's very lovely time. So we should not expect everything from one person. This boy has got very sharp mind for memorizing, for explaining. But if he utilizes the same mind for writing, it will be much better, right? Give him a big round of applause once again to him. Okay. Thank you very much. So we'll continue tomorrow.